Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can install the latest Java version, Java 23 and JDK 23 on Windows 11. First, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. You can just click on it. Scroll down and here you can see JDK 21 and JDK 23. So we will install the JDK 23, that is Java Development Kit. To develop anything using Java, you need to install JDK also, not just Java. So what we'll do is click on JDK 23, click on your operating system. I'm on Windows, so I'll click on Windows, and here you will want to download the installer, not any one of these two. So click on this link and the download will start. Let's wait till the download is complete and then we will install Java and JDK. Once the download is complete, just click on open file. If you're asked to, you want to allow this app to make changes, click on yes and the installer will open up. Just click on next and this is where your Java will be installed. If you don't have storage left in this, you can just click on change and install it anywhere you want. You can change the directory by clicking this, but I'll just install this in the default directory and click on next and the installation has started. Let's wait till the installation is complete. After a while, you'll see this message, Java SE Development Kit has been successfully installed. Now JDK includes both Java and JDK, so we don't need to do anything else. Just click on close. And now to actually use Java from command prompt, we need to do something else. So if I type cmd and type Java, as you can see, I get a list of options. And if I type Java version, I'll see Java 23. If you're not seeing this and you see something like command Java not found, it's because it is not added to environment variable. So let's go ahead and see how we can add Java to environment variable. First, go to Java installation directory. That is inside C drive, inside Java and JDK folder. Go inside bin, and here you'll see java.exe and so on. So copy this path, press your Windows key and tap environment variables. Here click on environment variables, double click on this path and double click at the bottom and just enter this path and click on OK. Click OK again, and now Java is also added to your path and you can easily use Java from command prompt. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.